Hi knitters, today I'm going to walk you through building your essential knitting kit, knitting accessory kit. So I have a few different versions. This is my favorite one and I've had this for a long time. So I have this little zipper bag and inside I have all sorts of goodies. This is just large enough to store a few extra little things. This is actually a tool where you can wrap the yarn around. So this is 1 inch and this is 1/2 inch, and you can count the wraps per inch so you can determine weight of yarn that you maybe aren't sure. These are some of my favorite in the round markers, row counters, so these are really fun. So I'm doing row counting with those, and I've got like a cable needle. I have some point protectors in here. These are some fun ones, some random little stitch markers, another row counter, just little bits and bobs that I can fit in there. And then in this lovely case, which is also a bit old, but I got it, I have a few of the other essentials. So I've got my folding scissors, really handy for travel. A measuring tape. This isn't the most convenient style. I actually really prefer ones like this that stretch out and then roll back up with a button, and this is one that's kind of cute. Looks like a snail. I have some needles in here, but also my yarn needles, a safety pin, just kind of random things that fit in there, and then also these little compartments that hold my stitch markers. So I have several different kinds of stitch markers depending on what my project is, including ones that also lock. So this is kind of my go-to kit that I bring with every knitting project when I carry it around and travel, and that way I have everything. Now sometimes this is a little large, so worst case, I got a friend that gave me this really beautiful little to-go pouch. So just another example, so we can see what fun is in here. I have another version of fold-up scissors. These fold up even more compactly and are a little sharper, so gotta be careful. I even have this really awesome needle size thing. I'm not even sure what this is called, but this helps me test what sizes my needles are in case I need that. And then I've got a yarn needle, always essential, and some stitch markers that are on this cute little pin. So even if you don't have regular notions that you are really loving, you can create some stitch markers and put them on a safety pin, for example. And really you only need a pouch that's even this size. This obviously kind of came together and is really cute. I don't find that I need this a ton, but it is really handy to have and kind of fits in with my little kit here. I'd say the scissors and the stitch markers and yarn needle are amongst the essentials. And I'm even noticing that I've got some other stitch markers that migrated their way into this bag. So, you know, it doesn't need to be super hardcore. I also purchased this for myself because I just love these little suitcase looking boxes. So this is another potential version. This one is just kind of a big open bucket, but you could also fit all those other kinds of accessories in here. Right now I just have some random stitch markers and needle savers and even a nail file. So, you know, lots of different options, but I recommend assembling your essential knitting accessory kit, and that way you will have everything you need no matter what project you're working on, just depending on how organized you wanna get. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you around.